The Food Service Exchange presents.
Today we're going to show you how easy it is to make crepes. Crepes are not only easy to make, they're very visual to the customer, they smell great when they're cooking, and they taste fantastic. So to make a crepe, first of all you preheat your crepe griddle for between 10 and 20 minutes to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, or if you're using our 120 volt model, you would set it between 5 and 6. And you spread the batter with the crepe batter spreader throughout the top surface of the crepe grill. You'll note that the spreader is kept in water in between crepes to keep it easy to use. How do you make the crepe batter?
You can do it in two ways. You can make one from scratch. You use butter, eggs, milk, and flour. Or you can add water only pre-made mix.
And when do you flip the crepe to the next side?
Once you see that the crepe is actually starting to bubble and come off the griddle surface, it's about 30 seconds.
And on the second side, about how long does that take?
Pretty much the same 30 seconds while you're filling the crepe.
So
and you can always check it before you flip it.
And so the crepe then will take approximately 1 minute to make from start to finish.
Correct.
Now we're going to complete the first crepe and make a sweet crepe. Crepes are delicious for desserts or snacks or meals. We're using bananas and strawberries and maybe even a little chocolate sauce and whipped cream today. How much does it cost to make a crepe?
Depending on the ingredients you're using, it is anywhere between 60 to 80 cents, maybe up to $1, but no more.
And crepes generally sell between $5 and $7. So crepes are a very, very profitable item to make in an establishment. Now I see you folded it and now you're cutting it.
Yes, you can use metal tools on the crepe maker.
I see you using a crepe maker with an enamel coated cast iron surface. What does that surface allow you to do?
To use metal tools and to clean it very easily. And here it is.
Ah, quite beautiful. Very good presentation. Now we're going to make a savory crepe, or something we'd call a meal crepe. Everyone needs to add new menu items. Freshening up the menu works by adding new customers and having existing customers come in more often. This is what we do here at Equipex. We help enhance menus through new food items and new presentations. Today we're talking about crepes and how easy it is to add crepes to a menu with Equipex crepe makers. Crepe makers are very versatile and can go into many different applications. They're suitable for hospitality settings, catering settings, restaurants, kiosks and carts, banquets, breakfasts, and business and industry cafeterias. Crepe makers can be used for a variety of different functions besides making crepes, like warming up wrapped bread for wrapped bread sandwiches, or heating up tortillas, or even making Peking duck pancakes. Now we've folded our ingredients of our meal crepe into our crepe, and we have a delicious meal crepe to be served. There are several accessories that are very useful with your Equipex crepe maker. First, you might consider purchasing our freestanding crepe kit, which gives a place for all of your tools. There is a water pan for the batter spreader. There is an oil spreader if you choose to use oil on the top of the crepe surface. There is a place to store the turner. And finally, there is a scraper that is available to clean the grill at the end of the day. This is a very, very useful device to keep all of the tools in a neat manner. In addition, for this particular model, the 120 volt model of the Equipex crepe maker, we do have an alternative to create an action station, which is a square stainless steel enclosure around the unit. Equipex also makes a full line of 208, 240 volt crepe makers in singles and doubles for your larger volume operations. The unit we are using today is 120 volt and is unique because the heating element actually is spread out under the entire crepe surface so that you can make a large crepe on the surface and not be limited to the heat just being in the center. Ah, another beautiful sweet crepe. And finally, we also have available our very special topping warming units for single and double applications. These are unique in that they will hold chocolate sauce or something dense like Nutella in a heated fashion without the use of water. Some of these sauces and toppings are very difficult to remove from their containers, and this allows you to do so in a hygienic, easy manner. Equipex crepe makers originate in France and are assembled in Providence, Rhode Island in the United States. They are also tested and approved to UL and NSF standards at our Providence, Rhode Island facility. The French invented crepes. So when you buy your crepe makers, buy Equipex.
Thank you.